everybody, it's me Angel from the 6th team on my channel is Summer Fun. Because Summer Fun, I have no shoes to suit, but I had many, but I don't know what is perfect. So I will see you some shoes that you will choose to suit my dress. So let's get started. First shoes is this one. This is nice. It's perfect. It's from Canada. This is from Canada. It is sparkling and it's color gray. It is from Echo. And this is expensive. So this is, if you will vote, put to comment down below, vote hashtag 1 or any number do you want to choose. This is number 1. Number 2 is this. This is from Canada too. It is color red with the flowers here. Flowers. And it's Echo too. So expensive. Now that is number 2. Number 2. Now let's go to the number 3. Here's number 3. It is gray with a ribbon. It's from Cebu. Gray with a ribbon. It is Sugar Kids. Sugar Kids. And it's silver with a sparkle. It's not sparkle in other words. Next is this, the silver. It is sparkle here. Here is sparkle. It's from Canada or it's from California. I don't know. I don't remember where to buy it. So it is. The name of this is Glitter, and it is No Boys. Next shoes is this one. Cebu. It's Elements. Here it is like a flower. It's been pulled and some dots. Yeah. For my next this is the last. It is Heels. It is the Elements. I like this because it's heels. I love heels. Here. Heels. It has had a ribbon. Dark red. And this is the light red. And it had, I don't know how many feet is this. Okay. Now, I will tell you, what do you vote? If you vote V, just put and comment down below V hashtag 1, 2, or 3 what you want. This is number 1. Please vote me. Number 1. This is number 2. Number 3. And number 4. Number 5. And number 6. So remember, comment down below to my next week's video. Because I'm doing now a Summer Fun Part 2. Because it's now a dress. So, please watch my crazy job. So, see you guys next week on my channel. So, hope you like my video. Bye!